Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty recruitment notifications from the two different state universities, and I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having only post-graduation and the candidates who are having the UGC net. Fine. So for both these two candidates here the opportunities are there. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications, that to the government university faculty job notifications. In this pandemic situation it will be very much helpful to them. And after watching this video, if your subjects are not covered here, then mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next videos or notifications, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the two universities faculty recruitment notifications. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, it is a very big announcement and the good news to the UGC net candidates who are preparing for the examination, which is going to be start from this in this month, October 17th onwards. So here I'm conducting the free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English, okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video, that is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link, then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UGC net online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, so out of the two universities here, the first one we are going to see is the Harcourt Butler Technical University from Kanpur. So in this one here we got the guest faculty recruitment notification, and here the written test as well as a walk-in interview is there for the selection procedure. But actually the post graduation is enough, but if you're having the UGC net qualification in the respective subjects, then the written test is exempted and you can directly go for the walk-in interview. So that is a wonderful opportunity provided by this university. So let's have a look in details regarding this recruitment notification. Okay, so guest faculty will be engaged on full-time basis for the period of 11 months or till the direct recruitment or expiry of lien of concerned faculty, whichever may be the earlier. And the engagement will be purely based upon the contractual basis, and you should not do any type of claims to get the regular appointment. Okay, and coming to the subjects here, civil engineering, computer science engineering or information technology or MCA, electrical engineering, electronics engineering, mechanical, chemistry, maths, English, management, chemical engineering, food technology, oil technology and physics. And here the number of vacancies are also provided here, you may check down, and the qualifications as per the ACT norms. Okay, so as per the ACT norms for the engineering departments, the qualification for the guest faculty or the assistant professor is only post graduation. And coming to the date and the time of written test is 21st October 2021 morning 10 o'clock, and the interview date and time of the interview is next day. Okay, that is 22nd October 2021, and honorarium 450 rupees per contract hour and subject to maximum of 30,000 rupees per month as per the UP state government norms. Okay, and whoever the interested and eligible candidates are there, they're required to report for the written test MCQ based 30 minutes duration and a walk-in interview at their own expense in the university. And here one copy of application form in prescribed pro forma along with the self-attested photocopies of all the relevant documents and experience certificates with demand draft of 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for the SC/ST drawn in favor of finance controller HPTO Kanpur, payable at Kanpur in original. And once you go through the official website of this college, okay, then you may get the prescribed pro forma and original certificates related to the relevant degrees and experience, and 3 passport size photographs with proof of identification. And if caste certificate is there, then valid caste certificate, and NET or SLET or SET or JRF qualified candidates are exempted from the written test. Okay, those guys can directly go for the interview, that means on 22nd. Fine. And so it's few important instructions are given here. Interested and eligible candidates are required to fill the online application form, which is available in the website itself till October 18, 2021, and take its printout, which will be submitted at the time of the written test along with all the certificates and the testimonials with appropriate DD in original. Okay, that means you have to fill up the form, and after filling up the form, take out the printout of that one And while going to the written test, you have to bring all the certificates and the testimonials with the DD original also. Okay, I think here you need not to post anything. And candidates are required to bring the self-attested photocopies of relevant degree and experience certificates, publications, passport size photographs along with the proof of identification. I mean, if you are failing in bringing all these things, then you are not allowed for the written test and the interview. Fine. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you please go through once again this PDF as well as the official website of this college regarding this recruitment notification if you want to get the accurate and the more details. And coming to the next college, so it is the next college, guys, and it is Arabic and Persian University from Patna, Bihar. So it is a state university. Advertisement for the guest faculty or the part-time teachers are announced here. So you may check down here the last date for submission of application in the office of the registrar is 18th October 2021 till evening 5 o'clock, along with the bank draft for 500 rupees in favor of the registrar. Okay, either in person or else through the speed post. If you can't able to go in person, then you may post by the speed post. Okay, the detailed advertisement is mentioned in the official website itself. And coming to the subjects here, few instructions are given. Yeah, so Arabic, Persian, Urdu, Islamic studies, and education, management, journalism and mass communication, and English. Okay, and as per the caste category here, the number of vacancies are given here, so I may check down. And if you guys are applying from other states, then you will come under the general category only. So regarding that point also, you have to carefully check down in the notification, guys. And the university may engage the teachers from panel so prepared. The engagement shall be for 11 months or till the regular appointment of the teacher, whichever is earlier. Coming to the essential qualification, a candidate must have the post graduation with minimum 55% of marks, and the relaxation of 5% in the 55 will be provided for the SC or ST candidates of that state. Okay. And apart from this one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET or SET, the qualification must be there. And if the guys are having the PhD qualification as per the regulations 2009, those candidates are exempted from the NET, SLET or SET qualification. Okay, so a few terms and conditions are provided here. You may check down. So I will provide this PDF link also in the description box of this video. And coming to the age limitations, okay, those things also provided here. You may check down. And the honorarium will be provided in nature at the rate of 1500 rupees per class with a maximum of 50,000 rupees per month. Okay, so for these subjects, definitely the UGC NET qualification must be there. So maximum up to 50,000 rupees you will get. Fine. So these are all the details, guys, and please share this video to your friends or colleagues. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your subject or else whatever the jobs you are looking for in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as a notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Or else if you are looking for the online job consultancy, then one Google form I kept in the description box of this video. Fill up that Google form with a minimum amount 100 rupees, that is the registration fee. Okay, and then on behalf of you, we will search the different job notifications from the multiple sources and we will directly post those job notifications directly to your registered mail ID. Fine. So, and apart from this one, the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may continue this video, otherwise you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys.